What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I'm back with another video. This is my OnePlus 9, and I bought the Rugged Shield case, which is something I always buy for most devices that I can get if it's available. And here lately, they've been making this case for nearly everything. So this is the alternative to spending a bunch of money on a drop protection case. $7 is what I roughly pay for these all the time. This one was $7.18 or something like that. They're all labeled. Their Rugged Shield is the case, but sometimes they're named something completely different. So all you have to do is type in Rugged Shield, and no matter what the name of the people have it labeled as selling, it's going to be this. It's going to be this. So this case is everywhere in my house. You got a texture power button, and since this one has this phone, the OnePlus 9 has a cutout for the mute vibrate switch. You have an open hole right there. You got your microphone cut out there, and you have textured volume rockers. Really nice. And then all your cutouts down here are open. So this case does work with wireless charging. I have wireless charging in my cars, so I put it on there. But I found that wireless charging in the cars are super slow. But it does work because this is a plastic case. So just wanted to point that out. But not just wireless charging in cars, but just wireless charging period, this will work with it. So now you have this on, you have this deeply recessed inside the camera right there. So you can lay it down like that and you'll be okay. And on the front, you've got a nice lip around the front here. Now this phone has a screen protector on it from OnePlus by default. So, you've got protection on the front, but you can put a tempered glass on here if you want to. But laying it down flat like this, no problem whatsoever. So power button and everything works great. Volume rocker works great. Buttons on this case, nice and clicky. You have quick access to your vibrate mute switch. It works every time. It's good. Enough room to where you don't got to do too much with it. Microphone cutout on the top is open there. All the ports, everything line up. So this is always a short, quick video for me on this case. The Rugged Shield case, if you just type in, even if you don't want it for this phone, if you type in Rugged Shield and your phone, like type in your phone, like iPhone, whatever, Samsung, whatever, OnePlus, whatever, you'll see LG. I got it for all of the Pixel phones have it. I pretty much have this. This is my Pixel 4a 5G. This case is just so popular. So type that in, the name of your phone and Rugged Shield case. This will come up eventually. You'll see it down the list of cases. So there it is, man. The Rugged Shield case for the OnePlus 9. They have it for the OnePlus 9 Pro as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed a short video on this. Love this case. I've been using it for like 3 or 4 days now. Probably it's been. I just always tear them open. This come in a plastic case, a plastic wrapper, and I just tear them open and start using them. That's how I do it. This is your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Real brief to the point. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.